Here is a Westinghouse ceiling fan that I got at DAV for $5. It had a 3-foot dowel on it, but I took it off, and the blade brackets on it are actually white. Yeah, you see it right there. And that's its canopy. And that's the extra wire. I'm gonna do some of that last go this weekend. But back to this. Here is a high. And the noise in the background is the quarry running. Garage door was open, but it's raining out there. Here's this. And you can see it's got a little wobble to it, but it's because the mounting bracket up there is a little loose. You gotta tighten that up. Medium. The only reason why it's also wobbling is because it's got 4 warped blades and 1 normal blade. I'll have to fix that. This was originally going to be a parts fan, but ran okay. I'm going to put 4 blades on this and do another video of it with some other attachments. And low. I was going to put an updraft, but I'll do that after. Oh, am I pointing at it? Here. And off. Updraft. This thing will spin forever. Ouch. High and updraft. Oh, it's got a slight hum on updraft. There is a fan identical to this at Big Boys, because it was a childhood fan. I used to go there once a week when I was really little. And I don't like updraft. Wobbles way too bad. Medium. I already see medium. Low. Jeez. Chain is a little stiff. If you're wondering why I'm pulling it so hard. Off. Back to downdraft. And whoops. Looks pretty big on camera. It's only a 52-inch. Oh, nearly really raining out there. Yeah, back at Big Boys, there's only 2 of these. Wow, it's really raining out there. That ain't wind, that's rain. Alright, back to the fan. Nope, still spinning. Like I said, well, I did oil it. It was a little stiff when I got it. There's a high tex. Wasn't really happy pulling it out of the attic, but I had to get brackets that'll fit for this. The original brackets fit, but some asshole took the fucking blade bracket screws. Oh, don't you just love people? No. Hate people. Screw it. Alright, that's it for this.